All right, we're back. We're going to dynamically generate HTML. I'm going to leave on this where clause for the time being. We're going to generate one single post, and then subsequent to that, we'll remove that where clause so that it generates every post that we have. And you see this programming part takes some time. And if you remember our original template, we had 5 or 6, 4, 5, 6 posts already created, and we've spent, I don't know, we've been on this an hour and a half. I have no idea that we could have just as easily made all 6 of those posts just typing them. Okay, so I could have took the post text from the database and copied and pasted it here, and then on the next post I could have copied and pasted there, and we would be done without having to do all this programming. Once you get 10, 20, 50, 100 posts, okay, the benefits of the time saved starts to it becomes like an exponential amount of time that you save, that it eventually becomes to where 5 hours work worth of programming or 3 hours work worth of programming or whatever it happens to be saves you thousands of hours of manually typing HTML. And so remember our function, our get post array, we took away the SQL call there, because this function, this get post array, is going to get the post array for us. Okay, get post array as, if you remember, our key was the post ID, so I'm going to call this post ID so that it makes sense. Okay, as, and I'm going to call this post data. Okay, and what this does is this is going to loop through our database, and it's going to load every one of these, whatever database query we pull, it's going to load the post. And so here's the end of this tag. PHP end for each. I'm going to make one quick change here, because I'm going to make this an object. How do I make this an object? Well, here I'll do it. We're going to feed this the post array for each post array as key value equals objects. I think this will do it. Okay. This will return Turn. So here, now we're going to have to, man, that's a pain in the neck. This is the lazy way to do it. This is, I mean, we're not even using this. Yeah, I'm just doing this for the sake of being able to call these by their using the arrow. Okay, so the first thing we've got is we've got this person's profile image, and I'm going to, for now, I'm going to let me look here at our let me look at our UI. What is this? Where's this person's? Let me find this responsive image here. Responsive. Okay, that's an image responsive post image. Okay, good. So these are post images. Good. Okay. So here. Reach. Posts. Data, components, posts as key, component, we have a new for each loop. And remember those components. That is a collection of values. Okay, we'll have if component type. If. So we're going to type category equals image we will have what we do here to put PHP code here, use these short tags, called the echo tag, component, okay. Now, why am I getting an error here? I got a PHO, and if. There we go. Now let's try this here. Let's see if it's going to load this image. Again, what it may do is it may load it monster sized. Let's see if it loads it. Okay, there we go. So we got our picture loading. Now, Our next thing here is we have got the profile photo. Now here I've got an object. You've probably seen in the beginning. I use this use statement to use this object here. Extract this profile image source. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a function that will return the image. Yes. Call this link get profile image. What's here? Profile image link. That's what we'll call that. We'll call this link. Okay, we'll have source equals new profile. Source or source? Link. Turn source. Get result. Okay, what this is doing, this object is designed to get the profile image link, is what it does. And so I'm reducing that to a function call. Okay, and this is pull the value here. We'll have post data items. Profile photo. Now let's check this and see if we're still good here. We should be. Okay, so yep, we got that photo. And actually, why is this? Were we not? I thought that we were pulling a post for Maxwell somebody. Why is this all of a sudden Alexis Clark? As you can see, I sometimes I screw around with this a little bit in between the videos. This is 1536. Why in the hell? Oh, never mind. Oh, God, I'm stupid. I'm an absolute moron. Okay, yes, it's Alexis Mark because Alexis Mark is hard-coded. So here we'll have, let's get this. Profile, this username. Then we'll have the post date. Yeah, my brain was totally fried there. I forgot that I post date. Okay, now we got the thumbs up and thumbs down. And here we're going to have this. Post reactions account. Okay, we're gonna leave that thumbs up for now. We don't have a thumbs down, so we'll take out the thumbs down. And then I'm going to copy this code right here. Okay, copy it. Cut off part of my A tag here. Actually, we're going to do component. Okay, so now we should have a nice looking UI here. Expected into file, that's great. Wait a minute, here we go, we gotta get this. That's annoying, I'm always missing stuff like that, okay. Always going on, work fast. Here we go, let's try this again. Okay, and so here, and I saw that coming, by the way. I was thinking my query is not getting the post reactions count. What the hell? What is this? Post reactions, okay. There we go. This is post reactions, that's not counts. This is post reactions, I typed it wrong. So that's even easier to fix. Let's try this for the 5th time. Okay, now I've got something going on here. Post data, post reactions. Why? Okay, I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay, so there we go. Now I've got an angle bracket here on my thumbs up button. An angle bracket here. And what I can do too is I can put our post reactions image. Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm combining the post reactions image with the post reactions and putting a little space in between it. Okay, so what I'm doing here, if you can't tell, is I'm going to echo out this right here, this echo. That means to print it on the screen. So I'm printing this right here in this HTML tag. I'm printing the post reactions image. And when I put this dot here, this dot with these two brackets, with these two parentheses here with a space, that adds a space, and then I add the reactions. And so now, instead of having this thumbs up, I should have the actual reactions, okay? And I've still got the thumbs up because I don't need this. Okay, and actually what I do here this back here. What we'll do here is create an if statement. We're going to test if there are post reactions at all. Okay, so this if statement, what this is asking is, do we have post reactions? Okay, actually, I want to get back right here. Again, before this, if we have post reactions, it's going to output this HTML right here. Okay, so output this. We're going to have an else statement. So what we're going to do, if we've got post reactions, we're going to output this text. Then we're going to have an else statement. Actually, we'll do this first. Actually, let's do this like this. PHP else. Okay. So what we're going to do is, if we have post reactions, we're going to output the post reactions that we have plus our image. If we don't have post reactions, we're just going to output one of these green thumbs up. So this should fix this. Okay, and so there we've got our post reactions image. Now, what we can do next is we can take away this where clause and now we will loop through every post. Now remember, we're dynamically generating the post. Our comments and sub-comments are still hard-coded, because what this is going to do, this PHP script, this is going to repeat this block of HTML over and over and over again. This whole block, okay? And this part of the block, so in other words, from the start of this for each right here, so we've got for each, okay? We got div class post content, okay? This div ends, and things getting confused because of all the scripts, but this div ends right here. It's going to repeat all of this, okay, from this div, all this HTML down to this div. Now, as you'll see here, we've got PHP variables for the images, for the image. We've got PHP variables for the username. We've got PHP variables for the text, okay? But our comments and sub-comments are still hard-coded. So what this is going to do is it's going to generate every post, and every post is going to have these same generic comments, which you'll see here that this will be generated dynamically. So there's the Autistic Ninja. Okay, let me get this. Let me get my inspect tab off here so we can see view this full size. Okay, so there's that. This person's got 2 images. Okay. Now we've got some batshit insane thing going on here, and what this is these images, okay? And what I've got to do here, I'm going to have to steal some CSS styling because it's making these images huge. So I have this fixed on this UI right here. Let me find some images on this UI. Okay, let me look and see what I've got here for the CSS. Let me go back here, damn it. Okay, this should hopefully fix that. Let's see if this fixes this. Okay, now I've still got this same garbage. This is not. Okay, I don't have. Let's see here. I've got to have. Let me see here. What's the post ID on this? Okay, what's happening here is there's a break in my HTML somewhere that's screwing this up. What the hell's going on here? Okay, so this column medium 7 is not. Okay. Okay, so I've got some divs somewhere that are messing this up. Okay, so here we go. Here's the problem right here. I think that might be the problem. Okay, there we go. We fixed that. Thank God. Okay, so now you'll see our posts are being dynamically loaded. And now I've got a bracket in my post text. Okay, where's my post text at? So now you'll see we've got all these posts, and some of these people don't have post text. Actually, no. What does anybody have post text? Okay, this person's got a link. Okay, they got post text. Okay, good. Okay, now, why are these people? Why is their post text blank? So let me go here and look at this as to why. What is this? Let's go to this post ID. Okay. Let's go out here. And actually, I think we've seen some of these already. I think we're fine here. I think when we looked at these posts before, there were a bunch of them that didn't have any text. But this is a lot. Look at this. Now, let's see here. Let's go to some of these that don't have any text. So this one right here. Let's go here. This one for post. My application might be missing something here. Okay, yeah, so this has got a lot of post text. Let's go to the post components here. I think there's a bug in my script here. Okay, was this what we had on this? Okay, so here it's in there properly. Post component ID. Maybe I put the line divider here. There's something going on here. Let me look here. Let me see if this post text is being loaded here. If it's loaded anywhere. Okay, so here we go. This p tag is screwed up. That should fix it. We've been on this project a while now. Okay, there we go. Oh, and so now everyone's post is loading. And we will do the comments, and in the next video, I'll start. We'll program this to load the comments and the sub comments.